Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of June, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -0.51%. This translates to an average daily loss of -0.26%, since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, and indicators suggest a continued rise within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 14.4% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -3.05% to +43.57%. In terms of a longer perspective, our analysis spanning 12 months predicts a projected change of around 41.54%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 25.4% to 306.2% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would suggest that the future price may fall between $12.21 and $39.56. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock price down 0.511% on Wednesday. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price decreased by 0.511% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, dropping from $9.79 to $9.74. This marks a consecutive decline over 3 days. On the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 5.80%, with a low of $9.65 and a high of $10.21. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 instances, resulting in an overall decline of 11.21%. There was an increase in trading volume on the last day by 2 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 26 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $253,210,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $24.98, while the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the stock price is 61.01%, or $15.24, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, is making headlines as it faces scrutiny from Bragar Eagle and Squire, a law firm, investigating potential claims regarding the fiduciary duties of the board, following a class action complaint filed in March. This investigation may unsettle investor confidence in the short term, particularly for long-term shareholders. On a more positive note, SoundHound is positioned in the rapidly growing artificial intelligence sector with its unique audio recognition technologies. Recently, it garnered attention as one of the top AI stocks to buy, with a potential runway for growth due to its relatively small market capitalization of under $4 billion. As interest in artificial intelligence continues to soar, the company is also highlighted for unlocking significant market opportunities with its in-car voice commerce technology, which is estimated to be worth $35 billion annually. Despite a steep decline of nearly 60% from its record high late last year, consistent strong performance in the AI space may present a buying opportunity for investors. Analysts suggest that SoundHound's potential for substantial gains and its innovative edge could well put it back on track, positively influencing its stock price in the long run. As the company navigates these challenges and opportunities, the impact on SOUN's stock price will depend on both investor sentiment and the broader market trends in artificial intelligence technology. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Wedbush gave SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Also, on September 18, 2024, H.C. Wainwright rated SOUN as buy with a hold recommendation. On Friday, August 9, 2024, Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight rating with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts maintain a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated is exhibiting sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal has emerged from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $9.89 and $9.94. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 12.41%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 82 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 68 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.47. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 560 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 5.8%. During the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.19%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio means the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even established companies encounter downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -6 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not own any shares, you may wish to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $9.47. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of May, 2025, SROK Diana conducted an insider buy of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Marcus Lawrence also conducted an insider buy of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 23rd of May, 2025, Ball Eric R. made an insider buy of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stonehawker Timothy conducted an insider sell of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, Hom James Ming conducted an insider sell of 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.158. Insiders purchased 6,364,888 shares and sold 6,685,217 shares during the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated stock currently presents several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that SoundHound AI Incorporated will likely underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of June, we expect SoundHound AI to open higher by approximately 127/100ths and begin trading at $9.87. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.